Easter.
Today we're gonna open the surprise again.
Yes, we had an Easter egg hunt, and now we're opening up all the eggs that my daughter opened solo. Because of COVID-19, she got all the prizes herself. Her cousins usually join her. I'm sure they're doing their own egg hunts at home, as well as many children in America today. She has already opened up a couple of Polly Pockets with their own little clothing line.
We got more eggs to open, Aliyah.
Alright, why don't you open up another egg?
And our dress.
We are so grateful to all of
And
you.
now his shoes.
Subscribe to online giving.
Now we're gonna push our
We're
shoes.
watching a Catholic Mass in the background to celebrate our Lord today.
This is vital to the sustaining and
She's got
reemergence
a toothbrush and a Barbie cup.
schools and many
Keep her
other
teeth nice
ministries.
and healthy.
This crisis has put a
Especially with all
strain
the
on our
candy
parish
she'll be eating for
budgets
Easter, it's
and
going to be
seriously
imperative to have
impact our mission.
a good
If
toothbrush.
you are able, please consider
Open more
signing
eggs,
up for
Aliyah.
online giving or mailing in your weekly
Open more surprise.
The new text-to-give option has also been developed for all parishes in the
I'm
Diocese
sure
of
it's around
Rochester
somewhere.
You don't want to go
and
for a
dioceses around the country.
There it is.
Please continue to pray for those who are sick or have lost a loved one, as well as for all the
More candy.
of this crisis. May God bless us as we help one another to carry this
Oh my goodness. I have
More.
a feeling there's going to be a pile of candy on this table when we're done. My goodness. I think Daddy's just going to sneak one candy. Can you give Daddy one candy? Which one?
This one.
A whole egg full? Oh my goodness. I got a Snickers. Maybe I'll save that one for you, and I will eat one of these. We seem to have an abundance of those.
Thank you to the CBS
Woo!
for their national coverage. The Lord be with you.
Flowers on the phone. I'm gonna record something.
Bow down and bless you.
Sweeties.
May Almighty God bless you through today's Easter solemnity, and in His compassion defend you from
My
every
oh my,
assault
it's an
of sin.
awful lot of candy.
And may He,
I hope we're not going to eat all this today.
the resurrection of His only begotten, endow you with the prize of immortality.
Oh,
Now that the days of the Lord's
Look at all these eggs she still has to open.
celebrate the gladness of the Paschal feast.
Praise be to
Christ's
God.
help, exalting His Spirit.
Jesus
Those to you ourselves.
triumphed on the cross.
What?
And we're going to celebrate
That's
with
a lot of eggs.
big roast lamb today at 1 p.m. It's a beautiful day outside.
Remain with you forever.
Go forth the masses
Candy
and
tastes delicious.
hallelujah.
Mass is just wonderful to hear.
Hallelujah.
We're not allowed to go to church because of COVID-19. Celebrating Mass within our home. How many candies do you think are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh yeah, but there's 5 times
I'm
25
gonna say
there.
one for you and all of you.
Thank you very much. You're very generous.
You're gonna share that one to the kids too?
I'll share everybody.
Can I have one?
Okay.
Thank you.
I got a big one and small one.
Huh. Hallelujah, hallelujah. To make sure none of the candies end up on the floor, because the doggy will be more than happy to collect them. And we all know candy is not good for dogs.
Oh. Yeah. Now what about the small one?
She has a very unique way of opening the candy. Seems like she has a different way of opening each one.
You got a lot of candy now.
Sure do. It's an awful lot for one kid. I wish your cousins were here to share it. Might save a cavity or two here.
Go to the dentist.
But don't worry, we have a toothbrush here that's going to prevent that. Brush later.
Brush later.
Daddy's going to put all these empty eggs back together. Save them
Me.
for next Easter. Meanwhile, your pile keeps expanding by the moment here. You're getting pretty good at this. I think you're going through about 3.
Wowie.
We have to apologize. She's very preoccupied here.
Wowie.
But we thank you all for watching, and please subscribe. Happy Easter!